Good morning, dear students, and welcome back to our EVS class. Hope you are fit and fine. Students, do you remember your previous chapter? Very good. It was about the sun. We learned that the sun is at the center of the solar system. The sun is very large and many times bigger than the earth. We also learned that even though the sun is a big star, it looks very small because the sun is very far away from us. Another point we discussed in the last chapter that the sun is a very hot ball of fire. Students, what does the sun give us? To know that, in this section, we are going to learn chapter number 13, the sun gives us light and heat. Students, we know that the sun is a star and the earth is a planet in the solar system. Do you think how does day and night occur? Day and night occurs due to the rotation of the earth on its axis. When the earth rotates, day changes to night and night changes to day. Students, now you can see the sun rises in the morning. As a result, a new day dawns. Dawns means early morning. Students, when the sun rises early in the morning, we can feel a pleasant and cool atmosphere. Sunlight spreads everywhere. Darkness disappears. Everyone starts their work in the daylight. Now, another important point in this chapter is how the sun warms the earth. Students, we already came to know that the morning time is cool and pleasant. As the sun rises in the sky, the day becomes very warm. At noon, the sun is right over our head. Noon means 12 o'clock in daytime. That means exactly at 12 o'clock, the sun is at its highest point in the sky. At this time, the rays of the sun fall directly on the earth. During this time, it is very hot everywhere. Children, do you know when does the sun sets? When the sun sets in the evening, it becomes cool and gradually darkness spreads everywhere. When the sun sets, people return back to their homes from their workplaces. When darkness spreads, we light the lamp or switch on the electric lights. Everyone goes to take rest. Students, do you know why sunlight is important in our life? Sunlight is important for the survival of plants, animals, and people. It is important for flowers to bloom, ripen the fruits, dry wet clothes, and kills the germs. Thank you.